Up for sale, 1960 Impala. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 60 Impala, finished in a house of color. Let me get up on it real quick. I have the paint can for it, but off the top of my head, I don't know the color. It's like a pearl copper, and certain lights, a little darker copper, and a darker light, even more dark copper. Actually, pretty color. 327, 4-speed manual trans, power brakes with front disc that are drilled in slotted rotors. That's actually pretty recent to the car, as well as the brake booster and master cylinder. All the rims are brand new for the car. It also has door poppers. It must have been a southern car. It has, that southern look to the underneath of it, which is nice to see. Factory styled interior. And yeah, so always, go around it, point at anything that I see, fire it up, and then drive it. And of course, we'll start off in the front here. Bumper is in good condition, shiny. You see some light, marking on it from age, but it is shiny. You see there. You're trimming your grille in the front. Nice condition all the way around. They fit nice. The hood fits nice. That you see there. And that you see there. You see a couple little, maybe some stone chips in the hood on the couple front. I'd probably point them out if I see them. And then right over here, just a couple little, little minor marks in the paint. And again, anything like that I do see. Hold on, I want to wipe that off. I will point out. Super cool color. The car also has door poppers and trunk popper. And there you go. There you go. And then 3 for the trunk. So there you go. There you go. I guess I'll do the trunk while I'm here. It's got the proper the trunk liner kit in there with the cardboard on both sides. Nice under trunk lid, excuse me. Here's your remote system for the starting of it. Nice door jamb in here. It's painted black with newer weather stripping, keeping the water out. And specific mechanism for the power. And then there's a little switch down here if you wanted to do it manually, which also functions, but you have the remote as well. With the gloves. I guess I'll leave the doors open for now. I'll get to them. Pop the hood open. There you go. There's your 327. See the newer brake booster and master cylinder. You see the nice copper paint in here, which almost looks like that factory copper color. So I'm wondering, I haven't decoded the tag by now, if it was a copper car to begin with. I'll have that in the ad if I found that out. I'll also have what carburetor it is in the ad, because I don't know off the top of my head. Love the way the firewall looks with the factory little dimples in there, not smoothed out. Also, there's a switch down there to pull open the doors manually. Guess that's it. The trim tag is in place though. Right there. See, it's also painted copper, so maybe it was a copper car. But anyway, carrying on. Little mark right there in the paint. Little mark right there in the paint. Couple little marks right there. On this edge here, a couple other little marks. It's only the second 60 Impala that I've had. They become increasingly more difficult to find. I think the last one I had actually was over 2 years ago. Nice metal in there. All the way up. And it's got the factory copper door panel, which with the houndstooth, that's super cool. Super cool. Really nice. And it's in nice condition as well. All the glass is nice. There's no cracks on the glass. And there's your bench seat. It's a factory style. I believe this would have been a little, just the black would have been a little different type of material from the factory. It looks nice though. Newer carpet. There's your 4-speed. The door panels are all that factory correct copper style, as well as the headliner, which is crisp. Hop in the car, there's your VIN. Trying to zoom back in, there you go. Nice dash. Stainless is in nice condition as well. It's got upgraded gauges on there. An attack, IEQUS, UUS gauges with the factory speedometer. Could be the original steering wheel. I bet this was a copper car. Again, I'll let you know for sure. Let me show you the back seat. Just like the front seat. Nice condition. Top of the car finished in the, make sure I got the key. A little bit of an off-white. Looks very nice. Nice finish on the piece of trim up there. Nice finish along here as well. And over there. There's your windshield and your dash, which is painted nicely white. That kind of complements the white top and a little bit of the white interior, as well as the white line here. Moving on. I like the wheels as well. The gray complements the like that burnished copper color very nicely. Little mark right here in the paint, like a little crack in the paint that maybe like a couple little marks that were touched up right there. Your stainless and your trim like that's in nice condition. And I know from having it on the lift, just on the super lowest part, there's a couple little bubbles that you see. You probably can see them better in the camera maybe. Just like the very lowest portion, like close to the ground. Your rear bumper, a little bit nicer condition than the front bumper. A little less marking, a little shinier. There it has a little more marking. Maybe you could buy these separately than this, I don't know. It also has dual exhaust. There's a little bigger mark on it. With the cherry bombs, because of the X-frame, mufflers are right in the back. That's why, if you've seen the pictures, right? Yeah, right there. If you've seen the pictures, it looks like it has straight pipe, but it does not. Lines up nicely to the wings. There's a little touch-up right there. And I love how it looks in the different lights too. It's pretty cool. When time does come, we will fire it up, drive it, and I will get in for the driving. This side does not have any bubbles on it, so it's just that little area there. There's like, I tried to wipe it out. It probably could be buffed out. Looks like a couple little runs of something that got on the paint. If you see that. I mean, like buffing compound or a buffing pad, of course. will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you want to check it out, let us know. '60 Impala, finished in House of Colors with factory style interior, burnished copper, copper pearl, dark copper, however you want to look at it. I did mention it before, but I like the way the door lines to the rocker, and it's the same on both sides. You see a couple little minor marks down on the very lower section there, and maybe two little, like a little brush in the paint right there. Moving over here though, again, nice fitment all the way down. Oh, I didn't show you the top of there. Nice fitment there down. Little mark in the paint right there. And it looks like right here maybe it was rubbed at some point. And then there's a couple little chips in the paint right there. Two other little marks there. Again, there's the drilled and slotted rotors for the newer front disc brake system. And yeah, we are going to fire it up and then drive it. Thank you. Did you honk? Oh, do it again. Okay, never mind. Low and slow. Now it's in reverse. I like the shape.